you're on your own, step by step, looking for experiences and fresh ideas wherever you are, whenever you are. Sometimes happiness is just a moment away. Sometimes you have to let go to feel it. There is an art to enjoying life. In every moment there is something unique. Discover the attraction of the unknown. It all seemed familiar, suddenly everything is new. Open yourself to life, and it will celebrate you. Use the change of perspective and dare to look into the distance. Open your eyes. Let them wander. Get on board and see what happens. Keep an eye on your future. Make tradition your vision. Life's a game whose rules only you determine. Be active. Have fun. Feel the freedom. Feel free. To embrace love, embrace changes, embrace life. Life is a river. Let it flow. Catch it. Embrace it within your life with all its nuances, and then life flows into you like music. Every step becomes easier. The feeling fills your soul with satisfaction, and then, boom, you meet yourself. The river takes you with it. It's the time of your life. And when you take a second look at the big picture, you suddenly become aware of it. It's your life. It's your river. Life by the river.